Stopped at a rest stop right before Portland. Had to pee out my latte. It's definitely icy. This is just solid ice. Guess we picked a good day to travel.
There was an ice rain last night.
Had ice rain all night. Just sheets of ice everywhere. Not too bad right here. I think they put sand down. But it is slick. I don't know why this keep going. Could barely make it out of our area. Just sliding everywhere.
Wasn't the hill just not control the whole time?
Yeah, that worked well for it.
Yeah, it did.
Thank you.
And you all love dog treats?
Sure.
Sure, yeah, she'd love one. Thank you.
That's what she was waiting for.
So I can smell it.
Here's the ice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Really?
Oh, so
Got our lattes for the drive.
And bagels.
Yeah, and bagels.
Look at this sheet of ice. It may not be very... Yeah.
Highway's not the worst. We were going a little faster, but now we're behind this other truck. Because I went to go in the lane next to him and it was a little slick. So I came back over. For now, we're like 4 hours from Salem. Hopefully, like 3.5, depending on what time we can make. Just gonna do a first fuel stop, maybe. Get Carl's Jr. But I feel like it's gonna be a long trip there if it's like this the whole way. We'll see. Jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna put the camera down. Well, we decided not to drive with everyone else. This stuff isn't icy, it's slick, but it's just snow. So at least pass everyone, do like 50 without feeling like we're gonna wreck. Yeah, one thing I'll do, I'll keep track of mileage, since no one has an accurate answer what actual mileage is in a Raptor. And then see where we're at by the time we get down there. And this is a stage 1 Raptor, so we'll see if my mileage went up or down from the last time we drove down here, which I think we got like over 20 miles a gallon. But we'll see how it goes, but I think we're getting like 18.5 right now doing this in this snow, so that's nice.
Got the Ellie girl in the back. Oh, hello, cutie. Oh, he's a good girl. You excited? She said, I don't know. We're just in the car.
Who knows?
Yeah, I don't know where we're going. I just like being in the car. He's a good girl.
Why are the switches to this?
Yeah, this should be fine. Yeah.
Wow, scenery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lord.
We should be in the other lane.
Yeah. It's a good thing there's enough space over there. Yeah. It's literally ice building up on the windshield.
Yeah, we hit the freezing rain again.
Yeah. Got a little more frozen.
Yeah, this is why it's taking so long to get through Portland. I'm gonna pass on the right since everyone apparently drives on the left around here right now. We finished our lattes, so now it's time for the first Red Bulls of the trip. And hopefully keep them to 2 Red Bulls because it gets to be a little too much sugar. Since we didn't buy sugar freeze because it's a road trip.
Yeah.
No idea what lanes are clear.
Yeah. Well, I guess before. Now it looks like it's normal.
2 tires in.
Yeah.
We'll check out this G-Wagon. Oh, here's Oregon right here.
Entering Oregon. That's a nice G-Wagon. Yeah, it does. Look at the view over there.
Try to add some of the heat, I guess.
Yeah.
That was easy. I
Yeah.
want the speed limit.
Nice.
It's 50 through there. Always do way more than that.
Yeah. Nice.
Can't see much.
Yeah.
Oh, there comes a raptor on the line.
Yeah. That's like figured out. Ooh, there's a thing going by. Gondola. That one. That's the one thinking. I was thinking.
It's like half tempting to stop and do, but not because we left so late.
No. Hi.
Oregon kept the
Good
whole
girl.
side of the highway open.
Yep. That's good. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Don't. Yeah.
This is
We
pure
know-
ice.
Yeah, I know. We can tell. Can tell just by looking at it.
I gotta check it. I gotta do the
Yeah.
squirrely method to
That's
see
good.
if it's
And then
slippery.
get squirrely.
Yeah. Finally made it to Salem. 12:30. But we stopped, so we actually gained, I think, 30 minutes over the traffic had told us we had. We're gonna go to Costco to get fuel, Carl's Jr. for food, and then Walgreens for something too. And then we're back on the road till I think Medford, and I'll fill up one more time just so I can make it all the way down to Sac on this good fuel before I take my tune out. Because once we head to California, I gotta load a much lower tune for the fuel down there. Here's our exit.
Look at that icy bath.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's like an ice rink.
I forgot we're in a weird area.
Yep. Can't fill up ourselves.
Still completely frozen in Salem. I hope this ice stops around Eugene. I'm just getting annoying driving around other people. It's been slick, but not bad. The tires I run are the Falcon AT3Ws, and this stuff they seem to be really good. But when I had the BFG KO2s, those were terrible. I really don't like those tires. I don't know why people do, but it's probably just the area I'm in. They definitely don't do well in like wet asphalt either. I'll show you what I got once we go to Carl's. Always get the same thing because I don't want my stomach wrecked on a road trip either. You ready to get out yet? Ellie won't pee or poop or anything on road trips, so she'll go the whole 12 hours. Probably stop and let her out once we're out of all this crap, probably closer to California. Truck's doing good, 15.1 miles to the gallon to this point, but I was plowing snow for hell, probably 100 miles, and then there was a pretty strong headwind when we're still in we're still in Washington, pretty strong headwind, so just pushing the whole time. The roads seem to be a little clearer on the highway, so we'll see how it goes getting past Eugene. Once we're out of this, I'll probably let Mary drive so I can relax for a little while.
Yeah, I'll make it for you.
Can I get a famous star with cheese and no onion?
Okay.
And a Western bacon burger as well. I think there's only one person working there, so it's slapped together. But
Yeah.
we don't have any of these near us either, so
Closest one is like 30.
30 or 40 minutes away.
Yeah.
Those are my favorite fast food in California. They're still my favorite.
Finally see some blue sky. Some sun peeking through.
They're so far away.
It is. It's not that far away, but it does look really far away.
Finally out of like just straight snow and ice. There's still ice on the side of the road.
Yeah, a little bit.
Some snow.
Yeah, not as bad as it was.
Sucks.
Yeah. There's another one.
ice and snow. I think we're almost to Roseburg. Finally smooth sailing, no traffic. See if it continues like that or not. But I think it's just supposed to rain the rest of the trip. Finally switched off driving a little before Grants Pass. Stopped at a rest stop to let Ellie get water and not use the bathroom like she never does. Still making our way to Medford for some more food and gas. There's clouds and stuff through here. Normally this is like a 12-hour drive. It's gonna be about a 14 or more because of all the ice and snow in the beginning. But still fun, it was worth it. Got sunset trying to happen. A little bit of clouds, oh that's cool.
A lot of clouds.
Clouds and fog. Getting a lot foggier now. I just still can't wait for another Western bacon cheeseburger. 40 minutes. Dealing with so many people riding in the fast lane, slow, and braking. The person screwing with us got pulled over. He didn't have his lights on either.
The cop
And then I
flashed
think he
us.
started brake checking other people, the cop right behind him.
Yeah!
Feels so good. That was a sheriff too.
Yeah.
Not even.
Sheriff, patrol, highway sheriff.
Not even
He
state.
still doesn't even have his lights on. Jeez.
Jeez.
Lord.
Passing through Grants Pass right now. Clearing up. It's like 50 degrees now, so that's nice. Well, we finally made it. We already got fuel, getting 16.1 MPG. I think it's dealing with a lot of drivers back and forth. So it was just a bad day to travel and get good mileage. We're in Medford, be in California in probably less than 30 minutes. And then probably 5 more hours.
Yep.
Not looking forward to it, but because it's about to be the most boring part, at least it's at night.
At least it's at night.
Well, it's only 5. God damn it, Brett. Only 5 hours, so that was gonna be more than that. We'll be there at 11. Well, we'll be at. Okay, no. We won't be there at 11. We'll be at Adalberto's at 11.
Yes. Yeah, I forgot about that. I don't know how I
So
did
5 more hours I get to eat again. I already ate that burger, so. I was hungry. Never remember where the sign is either. Oh, there it is. Welcome to California. Oh, that's Oregon. Thank you.
It's right after.
There we go.
California.
We gained 2 minutes. Rolling through Red Bluff now. So, most boring part of the drive. We're on it right now. when we used to live down here, I used to have to come to Red Bluff for weeks at a time to help out at a shop, and I hated it. Whenever I think about coming back to California, I just think of that for some reason. It just sucks. Also, I forgot one of the bigger updates of what's happened in the last couple hours. We popped new Red Bulls, and I didn't even like film it.
Totally forgot. And they're empty.
Yeah, we already drank them.
Yeah.
But 2 hours, 21 minutes to Adalberto's. Just stopped at the last rest stop. Hopefully, well, we'll be there in about an hour and a half now, finally. I'm gonna get on it, getting on the highway, since we haven't.
Hold on, Ellie.
Alright, we finally made it. You can't see it because of the fog, but Sacramento is right there. 10 minutes from it. We're not going there though. We have like 25 minutes left.
Yeah.
Made it to Adalberto's. It's 10:50. About. I guess we can cancel that. We're only like 3 minutes from here after this, so. Oh, it says 15 hours. It was a 13-hour drive with the stops.
Yeah.
That's surprising. 805 miles, so probably like 790 miles. And then that says 15.6 average, but I think it's more like almost 16 and a half. Yeah, once we got down the mountains, we decided to go faster, which kills mileage if I go like over 71. We're going 75 or more. But what's 1 gallon of fuel to save like 15 minutes, so.
Yep.
I don't even think it was a gallon more.
Yeah.
Can I help you?
Yeah, can I get 2 number 24s, both with sour cream?
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Totally forgot to show you how I broke the locks. Let's see. I can't get into one right now. Tell, just tore the whole front off. That's what they should look like. Can't get into this one. I was able to lock it last night. It's like they might have to switch it, but on the side.